Hi guys, Rick Stein here. RLS Properties, we're back at 34 Arlington Avenue in Trenton, which is about one block away from Ewing. And the house is 99% done. It's taken quite a while and longer than I had hoped because the house had been vacant so long. They had to get the city in here to check for pressure tests, make sure the water was right and so forth. So I still don't have a CO, but hopefully I'll have it next week. So it's taken longer, but that's the way it is. It's never done, or rarely is it done on time, and it always costs more. So you have to plan for that. But this is a really nice house. This is now a three bedroom, real 2-bath, Cape Cod, if you will, with a front porch, a back deck, and a 1-car garage on a really nice street. Again, about 1 block away from the Ewing border. So as you can see, the carpet, we have a formal living room with baseboard heat. We have a dining room separate, so we'll call it a formal dining room. We have replacement windows, carpet's in great shape. I believe it's new carpet. I'm not sure if my GC replaced the carpeting or if this was the original carpeting. I think he replaced it. Now going into the kitchen. Kitchen is 99% done. Still have to put the stove in, get rid of a few things. It's really a basic kitchen, but this is a rental property. And I'm not looking to make it into house beautiful. But it's a basic kitchen. You even have a little room for maybe a little ice cream table, but of course you have the formal dining room over here. And this goes down to the full basement. We're not going to go to the basement, it's just the basement. But if we could open this back door, now we can see, come out. We can see the lovely deck with new railings, 1-car garage. Now interesting, that's a 2-car garage. But the deed says I own the right half and that lady owns the left half. So no problem, as long as you don't block the driveway and use our half, it's no issue. She's a nice lady, I already spoke to her. Fenced yard, trees not too close to the house, don't have that problem. Aluminum siding. It's a nice house. This was, again, a HUD property I bought on HUDhomestore.com and rehabbed it. Now it's going to be a nice rental. Of course, the best part of it, as we've discussed earlier, is the financing. Private money, that's the neat part. And as you remember, if you don't, go look at some more videos. This loan will completely be paid off in 10 years. I'm retiring it very aggressively. Private money, a wonderful thing. Full bath, cleaned up, replaced some of the fixtures. Nothing special. Again, it's a rental. I'm not looking to spend more money than I have to. The third bedroom, or bedroom number 1, however you want to call it, is right down here. And it has nice size, very nice size closet. One of the issues you have with Trenton is that the bedrooms either have no closets or very, very small closets. This is a nice sized closet. So again, new carpeting, baseboard heat, overlooking the Florida room, enclosed Florida room. I really like what we did up here, because if you may remember in the first video, there was no walls here. There was just one small wall over there. This was an open space. So we turned it into 2 bedrooms. So here's bedroom number 1, nice closet. We have a open space over here. Could be a den, could be a reading room, plenty of storage underneath the eaves. And then a full bath. So you have 2 full baths in this house, unusual for Trenton. Trenton, you can have a home with 4 or 5 bedrooms and 1 bath. This has 2 full baths, 1 upstairs and 1 downstairs. That is a very attractive point. The third bedroom, nice size room. Take a look at the size of this room. I could move in here. No, I won't. But nice sized bedroom, double closets. It's a nice house. So again, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, detached home, front porch, rear deck, fenced yard, and a garage. I can get $13.50 for it every day, and with the financing I have on it, I still have about a $450 a month positive cash flow. And I'm retiring the loan, again, very aggressively. It'll be paid off completely in 10 years. So, assuming I pass the CO next week, I will have somebody in here no later than February 1st. So I'm really pleased with it. Took longer than expected. Hopefully when I get the final bill, my GC stayed within budget. He said he did. And I'll be a happy man.